Alright, so I got this Makita that I need to change the saw blade on. It's looking pretty rough. I need to do some, I need to cut some 2x4s for a wall that I'm building. So obviously I need to change this. I got a 1/2-inch wrench. What you gotta start doing here, you gotta push this little button in which locks the blade from turning so that you can actually turn this. Take this nut off. This is left-handed thread. Or I mean right-handed thread. You gotta turn it. It's normal thread. Take your bolt out. It's a long bolt. Alright. Open up your guard. This is a 7 1/4 inch saw blade. I've got a new one. You gotta pay attention to the direction here. They're both going that way, so I don't want to put this one on just the way I took it out of the package. And this is a 24 tooth, 7 1/4, so just what I need. Hold the guard open. Stick that on. Gotta stick your spacer back on. This one's keyed, so it only goes on one direction. Put your bolt back in. And again, you gotta push that in. Sometimes you gotta turn the blade just a little bit to get it to lock. And lock it in place. Make sure that comes unlocked so when you turn it on it doesn't bind up. And that's how you change a saw blade on a circular saw. Not too hard, guys.